I promise I'm gonna treat this with love and respect as much as I can. Nothing is gonna be wasted in this house. I'm gonna eat it all slowly. I'm gonna eat it slow, pieces by pieces, with big love. This huge liver of pretty cow. Hello my hungry community. Today I have pretty interesting project ahead of me. I think some of you would be interested to know how these things are. And this part of the animal which I have here is only half of the cow liver. Patience. Be patient. You have to remove that little film which cover entire liver, because otherwise if you're gonna cook your liver, this film which is here, it will shrink, and all the juice and tasty parts of the liver will just go out of it. So to make it juicier, a liver, remove the film or this little skin, whatever you call it in your English or other language. Today I'm gonna make a dish a la Uzbek. It's gonna be a cow liver together with the vegetables such as the bell pepper, tomato, onion, and for herbs I'm gonna use cilantro, and my personal touch, because I thought it's gonna work together, it's fenugreek. So if you don't really know about liver, especially cow liver, it's particularly good for health, and because it has a lot of iron, and it's very good particularly for women. And fenugreek is also balance the female hormones in the body, and it's very much highly recommended by Middle East healers, by Slavic people, but not that very popular like in the Middle East. Also cilantro, I think, will balance this girly composition, because cilantro is very good for the man potential, and I'm not gonna eat my meal all alone. I have my handsome partner, so he has to perform. So beside my favorite fenugreek herbs, I'm gonna put cilantro, which helps the men to keep their potential for a longer period of time. So let's chop our vegetables. cilantro. It's never enough. Never enough. Do you know why I said a la Uzbek cow liver with the vegetables? It's simply because I replace one ingredient, which is very important in Uzbekistan cuisine. They do use a lot lamb fat. You know, like lambs have fat here and there, so it's very useful for cooking. Well, I do live in Canada and it's very rare to find this part of the animals because everything is extra restricted. Anyway, I decided to replace it with the olive oil, so I do think it's gonna give special Mediterranean aroma to our tender cow liver, and it's gonna mix well with the vegetables, and it's gonna be a little bit more healthier as well. I think so. So in the cold cast iron wok, put some olive oil. Be generous. Just remember, your wok is still cold. Onion go first. After that, salt it well. After that, put your liver. Put salt. Again. Black pepper. And after that, put your pepper. This is hot pepper, hot yellow. Bell pepper. And put your tomato. Oh, hungry people is waiting. Hungry people is waiting. This is called the balm of the tomato. I'm gonna use it all. You see? Tomato bombs are going here too, because we are barbarian, right? And we don't waste anything. Remember that. We waste nothing. Yep. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Doop, 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 doop. And here's the herbs. Next scene, light your fire. Be generous with the fire. That big fire. Cover it. and leave it for 15 minutes, not more, not less. If you're gonna do it more, your liver is gonna be extremely hard and unpleasant to eat. With liver, it's very important, just like you cooking calamari or something like that. It's a crucial, the timing, you know. So 15 minutes on the fire. Alright, 10 minutes passed. It's hot. You should open the liver. Remove hot pepper. Mix all together. Mix it well, as usual. When you take your liver and it's still firm, not falling down or not very jelly-like, then your liver is basically ready. And it's honestly, it's better to stop there. Cover it again and leave it for another 10 minutes. It smells so good. The herbs and vegetables are merged so well together with the beef liver. It's just perfect. It's basically soup because all juice from vegetables has been released, and the juice from the liver melt together, so it's became something like that. But we don't have any water in it, no drop of water, just vegetables and liver and olive oil, of course.